Hi guys, this is my channel, and today this is James and Robert time. Said, which is the Tad Peoples, and we got what's the name of this? This is Chimpy Mixty. Yes, I like this underground train that lives underground, and this is Heist, because he's kind of super fast. Also can turn. See, guys, he also can turn, so I'm explaining it. But here it is, a brand new thing, which is kind of awkward, but look on underneath. See that? It's kind of gross. And when you press this blue rails and bam, it shuts these things. Like, I don't know what they're called, but they're kind of really cute. And we got the trains. Oh, it's not. It is. This is only a perfect model train. So look, there's a Bubba Grubba. A purple Bubba Grubba. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. Yes. Good action. Boom. 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 There you go. And last train over here. There's no such things as train now. We only got 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, we missed the episode. 3. And okay, I had to start counting back. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we only got 5 trains. This is the underground train, high-speed train, high-speed train, which is the same at the back. See that? It's the same at the back. Get this away. Okay. This one doesn't have one, but this one, look at that view. See that, guys? We got awesome trains, but the back, similar. So you guys, here it is. Don't tell me right. So this is what we call a grand finale. This is when you push it. Okay, push. Still push. And see, it gets back. So all these trains are kind of new. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get something like for the trains, okay? Hold still. Here we go, guys. And then I'm back. And also we got Tony. We got this fellow. See if that's in the truck. So actually, there you go. There you go. And it is the original me. It's super fun. And here, the old guys. Stupid. That's stupid, guys. So look. They easily fit. See? This one's in. See? They also connect these pipes. See? So this is a broken pipe. This one actually, because look at that, it's broken. So broken. See? So broken. So I'm using this broken one as the tracks of the train. This Tommy Master Rails is kind of so cool, man. whatever it is, like, it is a brand new terrain, and just all are happy to race together. Hold on. Yeah. And they need other stuff track, so it really couldn't fit, but it's almost falling. So when it reversed, it fell into the track. So you might have get the hang of this. So Jim's pretty Roberts in over here. He kind of really fell off the track. Well, guys, so this is the end of our video. Goodbye.